Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. Okay, I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Right?
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
None.
Okay, are you healthy or do you have any health issues?
None po.
So you are healthy.
Yes, I am healthy.
Okay, so if you are not healthy, better stay in the Philippines. Don't work abroad, okay? So that you
Okay.
cannot give us problem. Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Agree. Oh, yes po.
This is your first time working abroad, is it?
Yes, first time.
Why you want to come here?
Because um
Okay. So, can you help me introduce yourself for a while?
I I am Donabel Obog. I'm 39 years old. I'm married. I have
Okay.
3 kids.
Okay. So, Donabel, you
Yes.
already 39 years old, right? So, why just now only you wanted to apply abroad? Why last time while you are still young, why you didn't apply abroad? Why just now only?
Mm, because mm,
Because
my mother is very nervous.
your mother don't allow you to come and work here in Malaysia or in other countries.
Oh, yes.
So now your mother okay ready.
Yes, my mother is ready.
Are you sure that we don't have problem later?
Oh, opo. Yes.
Okay, so Donabel, I need to know some few more details from you. Okay, do you have passport
None.
for passporting?
Pas- Opo, for passporting po.
When is your birthday?
September 20, 1985.
September.
20, 1985.
What is your height and your weight?
My weight is 58. My height is 4'11".
What is your religion?
Catholic.
What is your educational background?
High school graduate.
Okay, you mentioned that you got three children. How old are those children?
My eldest children, 9 years old. My second, 8. My third child is 7.
Who will going to take care of these children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My husband.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband occupation is farmers. He is 44 years old.
44 years old. Okay. So did he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes.
Are you sure that that he allow you?
Yes.
Okay, as I have mentioned, nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay? So any
Okay.
uncertain situations that might happen to your family, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. This is your own self that wanted to come and work in other countries, yeah? So if
Yeah.
anything, you know that there will be a consequences as you know that you need to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations or once you breach your contract, you know that there will be a consequences which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency. As I have mentioned already how many times we don't force people to come here. You were the one who wanted to apply because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted a better future for your family, correct?
Right.
Are you sure that you wanted to come and work here?
Yes po.
You know that being domestic helper is very hard. It is tough.
Yes.
You will going to clean the entire house and the houses here is not that so small. It's a
Yes.
very big houses.
Yes, I know.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
You might experience those unexpected things that you didn't experience in the Philippines. They might
Yes, ma'am.
ask you to do the car washing outside,
Um,
gardening.
yes,
Are you ready?
yes, I'm ready.
Are you sure?
I'm sure, very sure, 100%.
Okay. So do you have any working experience in the Philippines as a housemaid?
Yes, many. Yes, many.
In
Chinese.
Okay, so in which place in the Philippines you have working experience?
Yes.
In which place in the Philippines?
Ano po? Near in Makati.
Makati. How many years you work there as a housemaid?
Uh, Starting po yesterday.
Starting yesterday only, you work there.
Mm,
Do you have working experience as a
yeah,
housemaid?
yes.
In
Po.
which place in the Philippines?
Makati, Makati.
Okay, so how many years you work there?
One, sorry, ma'am. Mandaluyong po last year. 20,
Mandaluyong last year. So you work for how many years there or how many months?
1 year and 4 months.
1 year and 4 months. What year did you started?
February
Fe-
until until po April 2024.
February 2023 until April 2024, correct?
Opo.
Okay, can you share it with me? What are your duties there? What is your
Clean,
duties there?
cleaning, cooking, ang ah, cooking, cleaning, um, car wash sometimes,
Car
gardening,
washing,
opo, gardening,
gardening,
grocery,
okay,
um,
marketing.
marketing,
You
and
do
grocery.
laundry and ironing?
Yes. Opo.
Did you take your children there?
No, eldest po. I'm
Sorry?
caring, I'm caring to eldest.
Elderly. How old is the elderly that you take care?
She is 90 to 91.
Is it female or male?
Female,
92 years old.
91 po.
91. So you are okay to take care elderly, is it?
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
I'm okay.
So can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes.
Are you okay to take care pets?
Okay.
Can you cook?
Yes.
Okay. Can you take care children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes.
What about baby? Are you okay to take care?
No.
Okay. So as I have mentioned, you need to get ready yourself. You need to fasten your seatbelt because we are not playing here. Okay? You need to
Okay
be
po.
multitasking. You need to be flexible. So, are you aware that usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day. And you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work, and on your rest day, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. And of course, if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay?
I'm okay. Okay.
Are you okay with our terms and conditions?
Yes po.
We don't
Yes.
want later to hear from you that once you reach here in Malaysia, you will going to demand us about all these things. Okay? No such a thing. Because in our initial interview, we already informed you about all these things. And we were going to adhere with our terms and regulations. So don't try inform your employer about it because you also agree it. Yeah?
Yeah po.
Okay, so always remind yourself that this is not Philippines, as I have mentioned many times. In Philippines, we can do whatever we want, but in other countries or here in Malaysia, no, we need to follow the rules and regulations. We need to respect the employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Donna Bell. It was my
Yes,
pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Thank you so much.
thank you, ma'am. You're welcome
Bye.
po.